Hey guys, to deposit USDT on Kraken, navigate to the deposit right here on cash and stable coins. I'm gonna hit tether. I'm gonna press deposit or transfer instead of deposit. I'm gonna hit deposit right here. Select your network. Okay. And once you choose the correct network, address will be generated. Copy it and go to your external wallet to send the USDT. Example, I use Phantom Wallet. So I'm gonna go ahead to the Phantom Wallet and hit send simply. And select, of course, USDT if available. Right? If you select, let's say, Solana as a USDT, this is just demonstration, you gotta just paste the address into the amount, verify your email, and basically you're gonna receive USDT on Kraken wallet. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.